And this song for our Ukulele Song Challenge, this one is a 16-bar blues and one of the greatest Elvis songs ever. This one is Jailhouse Rock. Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the Jailhouse Rock. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification. This is our song challenge. This one is a 16-bar blues rock, so that means it's going to be a straight eighth note rock kind of drive and feel, and one of the greatest Elvis songs of all time, Jailhouse Rock. So anyway, sign up for the challenge. It's totally free to sign up. You're going to get access to the backing tracks, which we're going to play later with a play-along, sing-along at the end. Killer. You're going to get all the lyrics, the sheet music, the chords, everything you need to take part in this challenge. And by the way, the winner is going to win a Kala ukulele. And then once you sign up, take advantage of that VIP offer that we have. It's going to give you lifetime access to all this material, plus private Q&As with me and the other VIPs. All right, you ready? Let's just dive right into this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to have a 4-bar intro. It's going to do that twice, okay? So when you're counting this, what I'm doing here is going to be on beat 4, and I'm just taking my first finger. I'm just going to be on the first fret here, strings 4 and 3. I'm going to hit on beat 4, 4, and then I'm going to slide it up to the second fret for beat 1. Okay, so then that's a whole, like, the first part of this thing. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The one threw a party in a county jail. And then you're going to do that for the first 8 bars. And this is why this is a 16-bar blues, because instead of doing that first part, the first 4 bars, which is on the 1 chord, 4 measures, you're going to do it 8 measures. And that's going to take it from a 12-bar blues to a 16-bar blues. And that's all you're going to do for that first part, okay? So do it with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The woman threw a party in a county jail. The prison band was there, they began the wail. The band was jumping, joy began to swing. You should have heard a knocked out jailbell swing. Let's rock, everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the Jailhouse Rock. All right, so when we get to really what ends up being bar 9, but remember we got 16 bars, it's going to go to just this G thing, which is just 2 bars of that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just hitting open 4th string, and my first finger is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. It's totally cool if you have a high G. I have a low G on this one. I'm going to use a down-up pattern, and it's going to go twice down, up, and then I'm just going to put my 3rd finger here on the 3rd string, 4th fret, downstroke, and then up, and then do it again. And that's a whole 2-bar pattern right there. All right, do it with me right here on this G. 1, 2, 3, and it's 1 and 2. Now when you get to the D chord, you're going to do just like what we were doing before, except you're going to do this. Okay, so all I'm doing here is barring it, going down, up, adding my 3rd finger to the 4th string, 4th fret for 1 downstroke, and then take it off for the upstroke, and then do it again. And then 1 more measure. All right, now we're gonna get to what it ends up being. This is bar 13. It's gonna be the 5 chord to A chord. Okay, so I'm barring here. Well, actually, no bar, just right here. This is like power chord, actually. I'm gonna go down, up, reach up to the pinky. Gotta do it 1 time. Then take it up, and then do it again. Back to the G chord. Down to the D chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1. And then you're going to start the 2nd verse. All right, so that's a lot right there. Let's just do it when we get to that G chord. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, and... All right, and then you go right into the 2nd verse, and we do a next chorus right after that. All right? Now, let's go ahead and do it with the backing track. Don't forget, if you want the backing track, if you want the lyrics, the chorus, sign up for the challenge. You got to click that link below we'll give you full access to it. And then if you want, become a VIP and get some private time with me. So, and the other VIPs as well. So anyway, shall we? Let's do it with the backing tracks. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. I wanted through a party in a county jail. The prison band was there, they began to wail. The band was jumping and the joint began to swing. You should have heard the knocked up jailbird sing. Let's rock, everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the Jailhouse Rock. Johnny Murphy played the tenor saxophone. Little Joe was blowing on the side trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois, the crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was the Purple Gang. Let's rock, everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the Jailhouse Rock. All right, I'm going to take that one right there. There's a lot of lyrics to squeeze in here, but this one is a lot of fun. This is a 16-bar blues. It is more of a straight rock blues, but it's still 16 bars, and it's still one of the greatest Elvis songs ever written. So join the challenge, become a VIP. I can't wait to hear your videos. Good luck to you, and we'll see you in the next one.